Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session we are going to see how to install Sensu monitoring on Rocky Linux 9.4. Sensu is a scalable, secure, integrated monitoring solution for your technology in server infrastructure. It can be used to monitor servers, application health, and services, and send alerts notification to multiple targets with third-party integration. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Rocky Linux 9.4. To install the Sensu backend, begin by adding the Sensu repositories by using the following command. Next, confirm the repository was added using the following command. Once the repository has been added, install the Sensu Go backend by using the following command. Now download the main configuration file to /etc/sensu/backend.yaml by using the following command. You can open the file for editing using the following command. Now start and enable the Sensu backend service by using the following commands. Next, confirm if the service is running by using the following command. Sensu service is in active and running state. Next, create the admin user and password by exporting the credentials by using the following command. In the above command, replace the username and password as preferred. For the changes to apply, initialize the backend by using the following command. The Sensu Web UI runs on port 3000 by default. It allows users to view events and alerts on Sensu. So we will allow the required ports through the firewall. To verify if the backend is running as desired, use the cult command below to check its health. Now access the Sensu web UI using the following URL. Log in using the created credentials to access the Sensu dashboard. Now you can view the dashboards and events in the preferred namespace. By this way you can install Sensu monitoring on Rocky Linux 9.4. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.